This is your captain speaking. Everyone please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until we have come to a full stop at the gate and you see that seatbelt sign go off. And just a reminder that we do deplane from both the front and the rear of the aircraft.
Oh, man!
Every airplane ever.
Hey, isn't it weird to work for this airline after yesterday when it was all in the news about that fight that broke out on your plane?
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Oh, really? I saw the video yesterday. I could show you the video.
Oh, sorry. You must be mistaken. Nothing like that has gone on this plane.
No. I saw the video. The flight attendant takes their shoe off and they beat the
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
No, just look. You can
Okay, are your stupid eyes broken?
Not that I know of.
Oh, I think they are. Let me fix that for you! Gotcha!
Good thing I brought a book.
Excuse me, would you two mind if I hopped up and went to the restroom?
Fine. Yeah, sure, buddy. It's like, Sorry to crowd you, bro, but the guy in the window seat has to go poop.
Actually, I just have to, pee.
Well, can you at least poop too so you can get out of the way so we don't have to get up again later?
Yeah. God.
Hey, you want to join the Mile High Club?
Sir, is everything all right?
Can we help you with your bag?
Oh, I got it, thank you.
Sir, if you could just
Oh, I got it. I got this.
Sir, please.
I got it! I'm a grown man! I went to DeVry University! Get in there! See? Fits perfect. It's a perfect fit. I forgot my earbuds. The line for the bathroom is so long.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have the proper emotional support animal paperwork for your dog?
Oh, yes, I have my ESA papers.
Oh, thank you so much. Enjoy your flight. Enjoy your flight. Oh, excuse me, sir. Do you have your ESA paperwork?
Oh, of course.
Oh, thank you so much. Enjoy your flight. Enjoy your flight. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Do you have your ESA paperwork for your animal?
Yes, I do.
Oh, thank you. Hey, wait a minute. You wouldn't be trying to,
Trying to pass my husband off as an emotional support animal so I don't have to pay for an extra ticket?
Well, yeah?
See, Tracy, I told you this would never work.
Kevin? No! Not Kevin.
Hey, stop it!
No, sir, I would never do that.
Okay. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Go.
Woof, woof. I'm Kevin. I'm a dog.
That's my armrest.
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we are experiencing a bit of turbulence. Just sit tight and we'll get out of it as soon as possible. Thank you. Well, looks like the turbulence is letting up. Please enjoy the rest of your flight.
Every airplane ever. Thank you so much for flying Smosh Airlines. If you'd like to watch every airport ever, hit that box on the left.
And if you'd like to watch every family vacation ever, click that box on the right.